In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dashboard in Zoho CRM, a comprehensive tool that can enhance how you manage data and visualize your business metrics. We'll guide you through each step necessary to set up an effective dashboard, which will help you streamline processes and make informed decisions. First, let's navigate to the home page of your Zoho CRM dashboard. This page is your starting point where you'll find all the tools you need to begin customization. Next, you'll need to click on the Setup option. This is usually located in the top right corner of your screen and opens the door to a variety of settings that allow you to tailor the CRM experience to your company's specific needs. Once you're in the Setup menu, look under the Customization section. Here you can configure various elements of your CRM to enhance usability. Your next stop will be the Customize Homepage option. This gives you control over which components and data are immediately visible to you and your team upon logging in. After accessing the page customization area, your next action is to click on New Homepage. This option lets you create an entirely new layout suited to your current reporting and monitoring needs. Once you've selected this option, you'll need to name your new home page. Choose something descriptive that will help you and your team easily identify the purpose or primary data focus of this dashboard. Now it's time to click on the dashboard option. This reveals various template options to jumpstart your setup process. Choose which of these templates you'd like to use. Each template provides a different way of displaying your data, catering to different business needs, so pick the one that aligns best with your goals. After selecting your template, it's time to choose which components you want to show on your dashboard. Zoho allows you to display a variety of elements from simple charts to detailed tables, offering a fully customizable view of your most critical KPIs. Carefully select the components that best suit your workflow and provide maximum visibility into your data. With your selections made, click the Save and Share button. This is where you'll enter a name for the dashboard, making it identifiable and easy to find later on. The next step is to add the users you want to share the dashboard with. Simply input their names or email addresses, ensuring that all relevant team members can access this vital resource. Once you've added the necessary users, go ahead and click on ADD to finalize the step. Lastly, you'll want to ensure everything is saved properly. Clicking on Save will lock in your changes, making your custom dashboard readily available and operational for everyone included. And there you have it, a fully personalized dashboard in Zoho CRM that is tailored to your exact specifications, allowing you to track what truly matters to your business. Thank you for watching, and happy dashboarding.